Translating your e-commerce website means conquering new markets. Local customers shouldn't spot any difference with websites from their country. The goal is to build trust. Remember that 9 out of 10 internet users prefer to view a website in their native language, which multiplies conversion rates by 5. Before going through with translation, here are a few key questions you need to ask yourself for a successful e-commerce website translation. First, why am I having my website translated? If you're having your website translated, thinking it will give you international publicity, but haven't prepared to sell on an international basis, you're making a mistake. You will expose your website to an international base of customers, but they will not be able to make a purchase or have their order delivered. This will generate unsatisfied customers. And as we know, unsatisfied customers are 5 times more likely to talk about your website than a satisfied customer is. So you need to be careful and translate your website because of real international sales ambitions. The second one is, what is localization? Having your website translated into English, Spanish, or Portuguese, for instance, will reach targets with the same mother tongue. However, some residents of certain countries may require adjustments in terms of vocabulary, among other aspects. Selling in Mexico and in Spain are 2 completely different things. You must consider localization criteria for each country. Cultural conventions such as colors used, religion, customs, specific vocabulary like UK or US English, Spanish from Mexico or from Spain, time zones, date formats, currencies, length and weight measurement systems, character encoding, number formats, and finally, payment and delivery service providers. Therefore, defining your target country and its language precisely are a key step towards finding the right translation and localization criteria for your e-commerce website. The next one is, what content to translate? To identify the content to be translated, you must review your activity. Are you going to sell all your products internationally? Will the content be the same? Will it be edited by content writers for each country? Targeting your needs will help keep costs down by avoiding unnecessary translations. What is the defined SEO strategy? Identifying relevant keywords for other languages is not real translation. You must consult an SEO specialist or your web writer and implement an SEO strategy tailored for each country. Actually, translating your keywords literally into other languages will not necessarily give you the right keywords. The last question is, what are your resources? Do you have translators and webmasters to integrate the content? An SEO expert to optimize the translation? By asking yourself this question, you will get a better scope of your project and of the amount you will invest. So, to have your e-commerce website translated, you must think about your business model. Translation must be a part of your international development project. Many merchants see translation as a mere cost, but it is a real investment to conquer new markets.